Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for third standard students. Yes children, in the previous topic we have completed the last topic in the previous video. So we have completed the topic that is forming questions. How to form the questions with the help of the question words. We learn which question word, where we have to use, for what we have to use, what kind of question word is used for what type of question we learned. And even we solved the exercise whereas already the answers were given and the clue word of the question was given in the bracket. With the help of that clue word only we have formed the questions too in the previous topic. Yes. So here today I am back with the new topic in the grammar, that is adverbs. What we call children? We call it as the adverbs. Now you may ask, what is adverb? Adverb is a word which adds more meaning to the verbs. Which adds more meaning to the verbs. Verbs you know, read, write, then loud. Different types, chair, goes, come, get, take, stand. These all are the verbs. Yes, these all are called as what? Verbs. Win, play, laugh, cry, break. These all are verbs children. It gives the meaning, it adds more meaning for these verbs. That is called as an adverb. How it gives more meaning for the verb, we are going to learn today in this topic children. So, what is adverb? An adverb adds more meaning to the verb. You can ask when what is an adverb? If it is asked the question in the exam, then you have to write an adverb add more meaning to the verb. In this, you can write the same sentence in another way also. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb is a word that tells more about the verb. So here children, we can understand how the verbs are given a more meaning. So here, first definition, you can write what is an adverb. If the question is asked, then the answer will be an adverb adds more meaning to the verb. And an adverb is a word that tells more about the verb. An adverb is a verb that tells more about the verbs. In first sentence I have written more meaning. In second sentence I have written it tells more about the verb. Both are correct. Which is easy for you? You can write both the definitions for the adverb children. So here, for example, it tells us more about the verb. Yes. An adverb tells how, where and when are the action happened. An adverb, it tells us how and where. Adverbs usually answer the questions how, when and where asked after the verb. How, when and where asked after the verb. Example children here. This also is very important for you to write here. Adverb usually answers questions. It will answer the questions. What type of questions it will answer? Like how, and then question mark, and then when. Then next is and, why. Sorry, where. The next is where. Yes. So here asked after the verb, are asked after the verb. After the verb. Yes or no? So see, adverb usually answers the questions. When do we use adverbs? We use adverbs when the question is raised. What type of questions? When it want to know how it happened, when it wants to, when we want to know when it has happened, or when we want to know where it has happened. So that time we use the adverbs, and those adverbs are used to know about the question how, when and where after the verb. Example children here. First one, the girl cheered. How she cheered? She cheered loudly. How children? Loudly. One. Second, Ram goes to school. Ram goes to school daily. Daily. Third one. The little child looked up. The little child looked up, not looked children. So here I have written 3 sentences children. Yes? 3 sentences. In these 3 sentences, which are the adverbs? Yes? See, the girl cheered means when you have a competition in your class, or when the classroom competition also is conducted according to the row wise. Yes or no? Then your team will win. Then you are very happy. You start shouting, hey, 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 hurrah, hurrah, hurrah. You start shouting. Yes or no? How you shout? Hey, you do like this way? No, you shout loudly. Yes or no? Loudly. So here, children, cheered, goes, and looked are called as verbs. What we call them? Verbs. To add more meaning to these verbs, we have used here adverbs. That is, the girl cheered. How she cheered? She cheered loudly. Loudly and jorange. This is the adverb. Daily. Adverb. Up. Adverb. It is the adverb. So here Ram goes to school. Ram goes to school. Goes is what here? It is the verb. Go, went, goes. Yes, this is the verb. Goes is the verb. He goes to school. How? When he goes to school? He goes to school daily. Daily is what here? It is the adverb. The little child looked up. The little child looked up. Where she looked? She looked up. Up is what here? Adverb. Looked is what here? Verb. Looked is what here? Verb children. So it says here now, cheered. Cheered is used how? How did the girls cheer? The girls cheered loudly. How? We use the question word, that is, adverbs usually answer the questions. Adverbs, they answer the questions only how, when and where. So the girl cheered loudly. How the girl cheered children? The girl cheered loudly. How? How? We use the question word here. How? To know how the girls are cheered. The girls cheered loudly. Next. Ram goes to school. Ram goes to school. Goes how often? Yes. Ram goes to school often. Often we know daily. Then we use that. How Ram often goes to school. How Ram often goes to school. To know when all he is going to school. How often he goes to school. Whether daily he is going or only in a week he is going for 2 days or 4 days. So how often he goes to school. So you want to know that. So we use that the question word how. Next. Looked. The little child looked up. Where the little child looked, children? The little child looked up. Yell nodtado? Mele. Yes. So we use to know where we are going, where we are moving, where is the place. Then we use the adverbs then. Yes or no? This side, that side. So we use the adverbs. So to know, then we use the when. After the verb. Where did the child look? The child looked up. Where did the child look? The child looked up. So here, nothing children, only the thing, the adverb, it adds more meaning to the verb. Sentence ಒಳಗಡೆ verbs ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ verbs ಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು adverbs ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So here you can see, the girl cheered loudly. Cheered. Cheered is what here? Verb children. Happiness. You are expressing your happiness. So that is cheered. The girl cheered loudly. Yes. Here cheered is the verb. Loudly is the adverb. I will tell you how to add ly. Yes. Ram goes to school daily. How often Ram is going to school? Whether he is going daily or weekly 2 days or weekly 1 day. We want to know that. Yes or no? So how often Ram goes to school? Ram goes to school daily. So here goes is what here? Verb. And then daily is what here? Adverb. Next is here, the little child looked up. Where the little child looked? The little child looked up. It looked. Looked is what here? It is the verb. And up is what here? Up is the adverb children. So here, small example I will give you now. That is, daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, eagerly, calmly, regularly, now, nowhere, and then frequently, freely, silently, near, soon, and so on, etc. These all words come in the adverbs only. I cannot find my book nowhere. I did not find it nowhere. I did not find it nowhere. Somewhere you are going. Where are you going? Are you going somewhere? Somewhere. Somewhere. So somewhere is what? It is an adverb. So like this way we use. Adverbs never describe a noun or a pronoun. Adverbs never describe a noun or a pronoun. Describe ಏನಂದ್ರೆ noun ಮತ್ತೆ pronoun ಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ವಿವರಣೆ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. It never describes the noun or the pronoun. What will never describe children? The adverb. The adverb will never describe the noun or the pronoun. So here we can form many adverbs by adding ly. We can form many adverbs by adding ly. So here you saw the girl cheered louder. Correct? No. How did she cheer? She cheered loudly. Yes. Ram goes to school daily. Ly. Daily. The little child looked up. So here the man was very kindly. The man was very kindly, or he was very a kind man. He was a kind man. The girl was sitting sad. The girl was sitting sad. So like this way we use the verb. We add there ly also. We add the ly. I ate my dinner quickly. One more sentence I will write here. I ate my dinner quickly. Then fifth one. My father came home late. My father came home late. So here children, now in this sentence, quickly and late are adverbs. Late. Quickly and late. Which are the verbs children now in this sentence? I ate my dinner quickly. I know only quickly is adverb. I don't know which is the verb children. Which is the verb? Yes. Ate. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Yes or no? So here, ate is what? I ate. Already I have done my dinner. I ate my dinner quickly. Quickly means jaldi jaldi, fast fast. Yes or no? I ate my dinner quickly. So here, ate. How you ate your dinner? How you ate? You ate your dinner quickly, fast fast, jaldi jaldi. Yes or no? So that ate is the verb. It is describing more by saying quickly. It is telling. It is giving more meaning for the verb ate. I ate my dinner. How you ate your dinner? I ate my dinner quickly. Yes or no? Yes. My father came home late. When did your father come? I want to know the time here. Yes. Adverb. There are three kinds of adverbs children. One is time, adverb of time, adverb of manner and adverb of what? Place. It tells. The adverb tells us about the time, about the manner and about the place. That we will learn later in the next class. Now if I teach you, then it will be heavy for you children. There are three kinds in adverb. You remember only this. There are three kinds. First one is adverb of manner. Second is adverb of time. And the third is adverb of place. Yes, there are three kinds. There are three kinds in the adverb. First is adverb of what? Manner. Second, adverb of time. Third, adverb of place. So these are the three kinds of adverbs. Yes or no? So here, my father came late. So late, time only. It is the adverb of time children. So here, came is what your children? Came is the verb. Come, came, came. Come, came, came. Yes? So this is the verb. When your father came, he came late. Late is what there? Adverb. And came is what here? Verb. Yes? So we write here. This is the verb children. This is also verb. This is also verb. And here this is verb. And here this is verb. And this is adverb. Okay? That is the adverb. So adverb is nothing but it adds more meaning to the verb. It adds more meaning to the verb children. And we can form many adverbs by adding ly to an adjective. Adjective words, that means opposite words. Heavy, heavily. Loud, loudly. Short, shortly. Silent, silently. Honest, honestly. Strong, strongly. Yes or no? Like this way, we add more ly's to the adjective. To an adjective, the words which are in the adjective. To such words, we can add ly. And we form it as a adverb. We add ly and we form it as a adverb children. Yes. So let us begin with the exercise now children. It will be easy for you people to understand. So here you can write this. One more point is here children. this definition and examples you have to write, children, because it will be helpful for you when the definition is asked in the paper, in the exam. We can form many adverbs. We can many adverbs by adding ly to an adjective. To. Example you can take here. 2 it is given in a test book, children. That is kind, kindly. Then here I have written already loud, loudly. Yes or no? And then sad, sadly. The old lady was sitting sadly. Yes? So like this way we can form many things. Careful, brave, bravely. Here, brave. Brave. Yes? We only add what here, children? We add only ly to form an adverb to the adjectives. These are called adjectives. These are called adverbs. When we add ly, we call it as adverbs. To form adverb, we add ly to the adjectives. We add ly to the adjective. Yesterday it was heavily raining, or it was raining very heavily yesterday. It was raining very heavily yesterday. Our soldiers fought bravely to our country, or for our country. Our soldiers fought bravely to for our country. Yes or no? So like this way we can add ly to the adjectives to form the adverbs. Yes, children. Now we'll begin with the exercise. So how many kinds of adverbs are there, children? There are 3 kinds. How many kinds? 3 kinds. The first one is what there? Adverb of manner. Manner is what, children? Goodness. How rude you are, how good you are, how kind you are. It shows. ಮನುಷ್ಯನಂದು ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್. Adverb of manner, adverb of time and adverb of place. These are the 3 kinds of adverbs which you are going to study later in the next class. Yes. And what is adverb? Adverb adds more meaning to the verb. Adverb is a word that tells more about the verb. Adverb usually answers the question that where the questions are used, how, when and where after the verb. It asks the questions after the verb. For example, the girl cheered loudly. Ram goes to school daily. The little child looked up. I ate my dinner quickly. My father came home late. Next, we can form many adverbs by adding ly to an adjective. That is kind, kindly, loud, loudly, sad, sadly, brave, bravely. Yes, these are the words we use to find the adverbs to the adjective by adding ly. Yes, children, let us begin with the exercise. We'll begin with the first main, children, now. Yes, children, let us begin with the exercise. Okay. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Yes. Now, first I will write the sentences, children. Okay? And then I will explain to people. The horse she searched for her necklace everywhere. She searched, yes. Searched for her necklace. Necklace everywhere. Will you please wait outside? Will you please wait outside? Then fourth. Our parents love us dearly. Our parents love us fifth. The old man walked slowly. The old man walked slowly. The next sixth sentence. Play will start now. Play will start now. 7. The wound was painful and she cried softly. The was painful and she cried softly. 8. He goes to the club often. He goes to the club often. 9. Priyanka dances gracefully. Priyanka. Yes, Priyanka. Priyanka dances gracefully. This is gracefully. So here, children, I have written all the 9 sentences. Let us underline the adverbs in the following sentences. What question they have asked, children? They have asked underline. First you have to always read the question once or twice, children, in the grammar, because you make silly mistakes. Underline ittadana circle martiri, adike eneno baritiri. No. Underline andre enu ಒಂದು ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. For what? Which is the word adverb. So yes, underline the adverb in the following sentences. Yes. In this sentence, which is the adverb? Only that adverb you have to underline. So here, the horse gulped quickly. The horse gulped. Gulp is it ate. For swallowed. Nungod. Yes. The horse gulped quickly. Quickly is what here? Adverb. Huh? Next. She searched for her necklace everywhere. Everywhere. She is searching for her necklace. Search, searched. Yes or no? She searched for her necklace everywhere. So everywhere is what here? Adverb. Adverb. Yes. Will you please wait outside? Will you please wait outside? Wait. Waited. Waited. Wait. Wait outside. Outside is what here, children? Adverb. Outside is what here? Adverb. Our parents love us dearly. Our parents love us dearly. Huh? Parents. What parents will do? Your parents will love. For whom? For you. How they love? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? Dearly. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Yes or no? So that is called dearly. Yes. The old man walked slowly. The old man walked slowly because he is old man. He can't walk fast, so he is walking slowly. Yes or no? How is walking? Slowly he is walking. So slowly is what here? Adverb. Walked is what here? Verb. So how the old man is walking? The old man walked slowly. Slowly is what here? Adverb, children. Okay, next. Play will start now. Play will start now. So here, which is the adverb here in this sentence? Now. Now. When the play is going to start? The play is going to start now. So now is what here? Adverb. The wound was painful and she cried softly. She has got some hurt. That is wound. And it is paining more. It is painful. But she is crying. How she cried? She cried softly. Yes? Softly is what here? Adverb. Softly is what here? Adverb. He goes to the club often. When he goes to club? When he goes to club? He goes to club often. Often is what here? Adverb. Often andre mele mele. Yes or no? Priyanka dances gracefully. How Priyanka is dancing here? Priyanka, she is dancing very gracefully. Yes, Priyanka dances gracefully. So gracefully is what here, children? It is a adverb. It is the adverb. So here, next sentence. Fill in the blanks with adverbs formed from the adjectives in the brackets given below. Yes. This, I have completed this exercise till here, children. You write the definition and the sentences. This first main you complete in your notebook, and then I will solve the remaining two main tomorrow. Yes, I will be solving the remaining two main tomorrow. You will receive the one more video of this exercise. Till then, have a great day. Complete the notes with the neat handwriting. Underline the adverbs properly. Understand the verb and understand the sentences also. Thank you, children. Have a great day.